In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks that you need to know to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So if we have a problem like this that says find the volume of the cylinder, here's our cylinder, here's its height, and here's the radius of the circle at the bottom. The radius goes from the middle of the circle to the outer edge. So first thing, step one, remember the equation for the volume of a cylinder, and that equation is pi times r squared times the height. Now a little bit of a discussion about pi. Use 3.14 as an approximation to pi. This is what we call this symbol. It's called pi. And every time we use this approximation, the equal sign gets replaced with an approximate sign. Okay? So now we just plug in the numbers. We have all the numbers. 3.14 times 3 times 3. R squared just means the r twice, the radius twice, so 3 times 3, and then the height. The height is here, 5 meters. So we calculate that out and we get 141.3 meters cubed. Now volume is measured in cubic units because it's a 3D type of thing, okay? So remember, volume is measured in cubic units. And that's all there is to this problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, there's a link. It'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.